all, good morning. Welcome to another chapter of Pre Cozy Pages. It's been raining since last night, but now the weather is just lovely. And here in Amritsar at my in law's place, we cook in very Indian traditional way in such a nice weather. So, I'll be harvesting some vegetables from our kitchen garden and do the preparation for it. When we were kids, my dad used to take us to our Pishi's place. Pishi is a Bengali word for Bua, basically my dad's sister. There we would have all own harvested vegetables from the farm, and I would run around in the farm while my Pisho and my dad takes a stroll around the trails in the farm. This kitchen garden is my father in law's hobby, and it's quite bigger than what you see in the video. There are so many more vegetables than this, and it's very rare that they get the vegetables from the market. It's mostly from the garden itself. We have grilled fish in the menu for the evening. I am marinating it with Szechuan sauce, and also along with that, I'm preparing for the bharwa karele and bhindi. Leaving the recipe of all of these down below, you can have a look at it if you want to. Taking it upstairs where we will be cooking all of this, where my mother-in-law has set up all sort of traditional way of cooking, including tandoori roti. This motor for grinding spices is quite old, and my mother-in-law got it from her mom. It is a well-known fact कि जितना ही धीरे खाना बनता है उतना ही ज़्यादा खाना टेस्टी हो जाता है. I still can't forget the taste of the dal which my pishi used to make on the chula. So basic yet so yummy. Apparently the flame of the chula is controlled by how much wood we put into it, and also the cow dung cake. My mother-in-law says that it's called pathia in Punjabi. The taste gets so much better when cooked on the chula. It's all because of the smoke flavor which comes into it. And who doesn't like the smoke flavor? I think all of us does. Our food is almost ready. I couldn't shoot any video while we were having the food. We all started chatting and laughing, and I totally forgot about the cameras. It's a new day and it's super hot, and no cooking on chula. Although I'm always looking forward to it whenever I come to my in-laws place, maybe because I don't get to do it much, but whatever it is such a tedious job to do. Thanks to my father-in-law's passion for having a kitchen garden after his retirement, he really wanted to do, and then my mother-in-law's ultimate love for all sort of traditional cooking, I get to see all of this. You know, sometimes I think that all of this is going to get lost in documentaries and stories in future, unless some of us take the courage of having this practice, maybe not daily, but sometime I want to do it, but I'm not very sure whether I'll be how much I'll be good in it. I'm sure a lot of you must be having this practice at home. I don't know, do let me know in the comments. I had actually come here to do a painting outside, but it's too hot today. So I think I'm gonna go inside at home and start working on it. Oh, did you all notice that I'm wearing a sari today? After a long time. It usually happens when we are going out somewhere. Since because of the situation we can't go out, but that shouldn't be stopping me to wear a sari, isn't it? Or anybody else. Actually, I kind of got inspired by this Insta page. Her name is Neha Syahi, and love the way she dresses up, love the way she styles up her outfit with sari. It's like, wow. I'm leaving the link down below. You can check out her Instagram page. So I'll be making a recipe book. So what's a recipe book? It's basically so many time I cook something new and I write down a recipe. Even though I write it down, I sometimes forget where I have kept it. And I need a diary, a specific diary for the recipe, all the recipe which I collect, so that I can go back to that, and it's specifically for that. Although there are a lot of there in the market, but then as you all know, I like to make my own. So the sketch for the recipe book is mainly inspired by our last night cooking and the Indian spices. Making the spice box and the mortar which you saw in the video before. The recipe book I have seen is mostly has baking or vegetables drawn in it. I've hardly seen something like this before, and I really wanted to draw something like this when I saw all of this happening and actually cooking on it. I also probably couldn't have imagined any recipe journal like this unless I would have actually understood the Indian traditional way of cooking. I'm sure there are different other forms of it in different states. I'm just sketching out the ones I have seen. The journal I have here has all the basic headings like ingredients, prep time, method, and notes if anything required. Now since my sketch is ready, I just have to make the copy of it, and then I will not have to struggle to find out any of my new recipes, and I will jot down all of it in this one. My sketch is ready, but I don't have the resources to make the diary. I didn't carry anything, and I just, it just was not planned. I came here, I saw all of this, and I thought of making a recipe book. So once I go home, I'll be able to make a diary out of it, and or a journal out of it, and I will definitely share it with you all. If you wish to see more of such videos, and if you like my content, please do subscribe my channel. It will really help me a lot. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. And till then, bye bye, take care. I'll see you all in the next video.